How to cash out Bitcoin on Cash App. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up your Cash App application on your screen and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may tap on the bank icon in the bottom left corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you will be finding your balance and everything, including that you will be finding a Bitcoin option on your screen. Go ahead and locate it up and tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you will be finding an interface with Buy Bitcoin, and at the top right corner, you should be finding a QR code. You may just go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, here it will give you a scanner for a QR code for the destination Bitcoin wallet address where you want to transfer it. If not, you can tap on Enter Manually option on your screen. Once that is done here, it will show you the amount. So from this wallet section, we have deposit Bitcoin and withdraw Bitcoin option. You may tap on withdraw Bitcoin. And then after tapping on withdraw Bitcoin, just go ahead and enter up the amount that you would like to withdraw and tap on withdraw from the screen. And that is it. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on the next video.